Hi, this is Rusty, the Carburetor Doctor from www.carbkitsource.com. Today we're looking at the CK2 Carter Ball and Ball Carburetor Kit, which is mainly for Mopar applications from the 30s to the 60s, as well as other applications including industrial well into the 1970s. As always, our carburetor kit comes with the instructions and adjustment specifications. This one covers a lot of different models, so it has 4 different air horn gaskets. This is the gasket that goes in between the float bowl and the top of the carburetor. There are 4 different ones. This carburetor uses a spacer in between the float bowl and the throttle body. It takes 2 gaskets, one on either side, so there are 3 different sets for the 3 different sizes of this carburetor. You use 2 of them in each carburetor. There is a choke gasket if you happen to have an integral automatic choke. There are 2 different flange gaskets, slightly different sizes depending on what you've got. Slots are generally used for governed applications on these. If you don't have a governor, you probably don't need them. There are 2 different needle and seat assemblies. This one is the female, so it's also the fuel inlet, and it's female coming out of the carburetor. There is a male fuel inlet or needle and seat provided as well. And as always, we have a top quality made in USA accelerator pump assembly. This one is leather. These are ethanol resistant. They're good to 10% ethanol. There are a couple of check balls and various small gaskets and seals to finish your job. And there are 2 Welch plugs, one for the accelerator pump discharge port and one for the main jet at the bottom of the carburetor. And finally, there is a handy ruler included for setting your float level and other adjustments on this carburetor. This has been the CK2 Carburetor Kit, available from www.carbkitsource.com. I'm Rusty, the Carburetor Doctor.